Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS custom glowing button. Now you can see the button is glowing with two colors. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS custom glowing button. Inside the body we wanted a div and inside this span, copy this and paste it. Next we want add anchor tag and this will be hash. Inside the anchor tag we want to type button. Save the file, refresh, the button is visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is okay now. Next we want to style our body. Inside this display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 vh, width 100% and background color hash 262626 ff. Save the file, refresh, the background color is okay now. Let's start to style our div. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, position relative, height 100 pixel and width 300 pixel, and we want add box shadow, that was 1 pixel 60 pixel black, and cursor will be pointer. Save the file, refresh, the button's layout is okay now. Next we want to style our anchor tag. Inside this text decoration none, font size will be 50 pixel, font weight bold, font family cursive and color was white. We want to add some space between letters, letter spacing 2 pixel and z index will be 1. Save the file, refresh, the button is looking good. Next we want to create span nth child 1. Inside this display block, position absolute and height 30 pixel, width also 30 pixel and top will be 0, left 0 and background color deep pink. Copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this to, and top will be bottom, this is right and background color will be doja blue. Save the file, refresh, the button is looking nice. Next we want to create span nth child 1 hover. Inside this animation anim 1 second is forwards and we want add box shadow 1 pixel 40 pixel and color was deep pink. Copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this to, and the color was doja blue. Let's start to create our animation. Keyframes and the animation name anim. Inside this 100%, height 100% and width also 100% and z index will be 1. Save the file, refresh, the glowing effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.